The action camera industry is on the verge of a massive seismic shift, and if the latest insider intel proves accurate, the game is about to change forever. For years, creators, adrenaline junkies, and adventure filmmakers have wrestled with the exact same compromises, like grain-heavy low-light footage, brutal thermal throttling during extended high-resolution shoots, and battery performance that dies the second the temperature drops below freezing. But confidential supply chain documents, early regulatory filings, and highly credible prototype leaks indicate that DJI is preparing to shatter those limitations entirely. The upcoming camera isn't just an incremental spec bump or a subtle polish on existing technology. It is a calculated, aggressive statement engineered to dominate the action camera market for years to come. If you're an extreme sports athlete, a full-time content creator, or simply someone who demands cinema-grade footage in a shock-proof body, what is cooking inside DJI's development labs demands your absolute attention. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Now, as we analyze these groundbreaking leaks surrounding the DJI Osmo Action 7, you will realize that every single major pain point of action photography is being tackled head-on in a way the industry has never seen before. To understand why the hype surrounding the DJI Osmo Action 7 is reaching a fever pitch, you have to look directly at the heart of the device, which is its newly engineered imaging pipeline. According to leaked component manifests, DJI is pushing sensor technology to limits previously deemed impossible for a camera of this form factor. The DJI Osmo Action 7 is rumored to feature a refined 1/1.1-inch high readout square CMOS sensor, coupled with a customized next-generation image processing engine. This dynamic combination allows the camera to achieve something creators have begged for over a decade, which is native 8K video recording at a buttery-smooth 60 frames per second, along with an astonishing 4K recording mode at 240 frames per second for ultra-crisp slow-motion playback. The square sensor structure isn't just about pixel counts, because it gives creators the revolutionary freedom to shoot once in a pristine custom resolution and subsequently crop vertical 9:16 content for mobile platforms or widescreen 16:9 cinematic video for desktop viewers without losing a single drop of native detail or dynamic fidelity. The true highlight of this upgraded sensor architecture in the DJI Osmo Action 7 lies in its light gathering capability and unprecedented dynamic range. Industry insiders report that the camera achieves up to 15 stops of real-world dynamic range, matching the color depth and highlight retention of professional cinema cameras. In bright, harsh outdoor environments where blinding direct sunlight usually destroys highlights and creates harsh black shadows, the DJI Osmo Action 7 uses multi-exposure hardware processing to preserve silky skies and intricate shadow details simultaneously. Furthermore, the variable mechanical aperture, building upon the groundbreaking optics introduced in prior iterations, will now feature an expanded f/1.8 to f/4.0 range. At f/1.8, the lens pulls in nearly double the ambient light of traditional fixed-aperture action cameras, virtually eliminating the ugly digital noise and smeared detail that usually ruin nighttime urban vlogs, sunset surf sessions, or dark trail riding. When you pair this ultra-fast optic system with DJI's brand-new AI-driven SuperNight noise processing algorithm, the camera effectively turns pitch-black darkness into usable, vibrant video. The custom neural processing unit embedded within the DJI Osmo Action 7's core chip evaluates every frame in real time, separating organic motion from sensor noise and intelligently sharpening textures without creating that unnatural, artificial over-sharpened look that plagues smartphone video. Furthermore, for macro enthusiasts and vloggers who want depth of field separation, closing the aperture down or utilizing DJI's updated snap-on optical accessories produces genuine optical blur that makes talking head video look like it was filmed on a heavy full-frame rig rather than a tiny action camera attached to a chest mount. Hardware power is only half the battle. because without elite image stabilization, high-resolution footage becomes completely unwatchable during high-impact movement. This brings us to one of the most exciting leaks regarding the DJI Osmo Action 7, which is the debut of RockSteady 4.0 stabilization combined with hardware-level AI subject tracking. Traditional electronic image stabilization works by cropping into the frame and shifting the image digitally to counteract shake, but RockSteady 4.0 takes a predictive approach. By combining real-time data from an updated 6-axis gyroscopic array with predictive neural movement models, the DJI Osmo Action 7 anticipates physical impacts microseconds before they affect the frame. Whether you're mountain biking over brutal route lines, racing down a rally track, or skydiving through heavy turbulence, the horizon remains perfectly locked at 360 degrees, while the motion appears naturally fluid rather than unnaturally stiff. What makes RockSteady 4.0 even more revolutionary on the DJI Osmo Action 7 is its deep integration with subject tracking. Leaked firmware details suggest that the camera can identify humans, vehicles, pets, and extreme sports gear in real time. Even if you mount the camera on a stationary tripod or an unstable selfie stick, the camera's AI can auto-frame and smooth out your movements, panning and tilting virtually within the high-resolution square sensor area to keep you perfectly centered in the frame. This eliminates the need for bulky motorized gimbals during run-and-gun shooting setups, reducing the physical gear footprint for solo creators down to a single compact device. Power management and thermal endurance have historically been the Achilles heel of compact high-performance action cameras. Everyone who records long video sessions knows the frustration of seeing a camera overheat and shut down right before a crucial moment. The DJI Osmo Action 7 addresses this critical bottleneck with an all-new high-density 1,950 mAh smart battery and a completely redesigned internal heat dissipation structure. Utilizing an aerospace-grade magnesium alloy chassis with passive microvapor chamber heat pipes, the camera spreads internal heat evenly across its body, completely eliminating localized hotspots. Internal stress tests mentioned in recent leak reports show that the DJI Osmo Action 7 can continuously record in 4K resolution for up to nearly 5 hours on eco-management modes, and over 2 hours of uninterrupted recording at maximum 8K setting without thermal shutdown, even under direct sunlight in ambient temperatures exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Cold weather performance gets a massive upgrade as well on the DJI Osmo Action 7. Skiers, snowboarders, and high-altitude mountaineers often suffer severe battery degradation, where standard lithium-ion cells lose 50% of their charge in sub-zero conditions. The new battery chemistry inside the DJI Osmo Action 7 incorporates an automated internal preheating layer that activates in freezing environments, maintaining optimal operating temperature and ensuring that you get full battery runtime, whether you're shooting in tropical heat or an Arctic blizzard. Additionally, with fast charge technology, plugging the device into a high-wattage power bank yields an 80% battery charge in under 20 minutes, guaranteeing that you never miss a moment of the action while on the go. In terms of physical design, durability, and ergonomic usability, the leaks suggest that DJI has listened carefully to community feedback to make the DJI Osmo Action 7 the most rugged camera ever produced. The camera maintains its beloved dual high-brightness OLED touchscreen displays, but both the front and rear panels now feature edge-to-edge tough glass with a fingerprint-resistant hydrophobic coating that repels water droplets instantly. The rear display boasts an upgraded peak brightness of over 1,200 nits, making it effortless to frame shots and adjust settings under direct midday sunlight. Waterproofing capabilities out of the box have been pushed down to 22 meters without requiring any external protective housing, allowing divers and snorkelers to explore deep underwater ecosystems with total peace of mind. The iconic magnetic quick-release mounting system that made previous Osmo Action models famous has received a mechanical lock upgrade on the DJI Osmo Action 7. Leaked images reveal reinforced dual-latch aluminum clips with secondary safety locks that eliminate any possibility of accidental detachment during high-impact collisions or high-speed motorsport setups. For audio recording, the camera features a triple omnidirectional microphone array with enhanced physical wind noise suppression grills and AI ambient noise filtering. Furthermore, the internal wireless receiver seamlessly connects to up to 2 DJI mic transmitters simultaneously without requiring an external USB-C receiver dongle, giving content creators instant, crystal-clear dual-channel audio directly written into the video file.